You want to try floor sitting but are not sure how to start? This video is for you. You will learn what is the only item you really need to get started. You will learn how to use common household items as little helpers to get you started. Do you need to ditch your couch right now? No, because I will introduce the Chinese technique to you. Let's dive in. To get started with floor sitting, you don't need tatami mats, you don't need fancy floor chairs, you don't need Japanese floor cushions. The only thing you actually need for floor sitting is the floor. That's it, but how to make it a little bit more comfortable? Little helpers. Use what you already have. This is just a cotton rug, soft enough to sit on. In winter, the floor gets cold. So I fold it, 2 layers, problem solved. It's easy to clean, just put it in the wash. This one is an outdoor rug, perfect for the balcony. Right now it's winter, so no balcony sitting. I don't own chairs anymore, so I upcycled my old chair pads. They are worn out, so I added simple cotton covers. Second life, zero waste. For added comfort, if I need to sit for a long time, I sometimes stack the cushions. You can even use a towel. This is my sauna towel. Fold it, sit on it. And you don't need to give up your couch overnight. I've often seen people in China sit on the floor and lean back against the couch. Not on the couch, in front of it. Simple? Try it. The only thing you need is the floor.